party. I get so excited this time of year because this is the season of celebration here at Halloween Town.
Yeah, me too. I wonder what new tricks you have up your sleeve this year.
Oh, you just wait and see, my little bat friend. Wait and see.
Yeah. And what are we all in line for? We're here to get tickets to the Spooktacular Graveyard Bash. It's a private party for Halloween Town folks only, and you need a ticket. Oh, yes, that's right. I've heard it's a ghoulishly good time. Oh, I can't wait to go. Me too.
Ooh, Wendy, I love your costume. Oh, I'm not Wendy. I am Lady Mystery. You look pretty good too. Yeah, I'm Brian, the super guy. Oh, so we're super kids. Woohoo! Yeah, so let's go trick-or-treating. Yeah, Black. Oh, look! 2 little superheroes who are brave enough to visit me here in Halloween Town. Welcome, children. Happy Halloween. Your witch costume looks great. Yeah, it's totally legit. That's because I'm not wearing a costume, silly. I'm a real witch. What? Wait, little kids, wait, come back. Oh, don't be scared, my dear little trick-or-treaters. You're in Halloween Town now, my pretties. So, follow me if you dare, and I'll show you something really spooktacular. So, come with me to the graveyard. Come with me, come on.
Hey, what are you doing? Regular people aren't allowed in the graveyard doing the Spooktacular Graveyard Bash.
Oh, it's okay, Betty. They're with me. I decided if they're cool enough to visit us at Halloween Town, we should show them a hauntingly ghoulish good time. So, come on, stick with me, kids.
Hello, hello, and welcome to this year's Spooktacular Graveyard Bash. Oh, you are excited, Zero. So, let's kick it off with the costume contest. I'd like to see everyone come up on stage, introduce yourself, and then at the end, we'll vote for the winner. Oh, yes, so let's get started. Who is going to be first? Let's kick it off with the costume contest.
Hello, I'm a witch.
Oh, I am a witch doctor.
I'm a little monster. Rah!
I am a princess.
Ho, 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 I'm Santa Claus. Yeehaw, I'm a cowboy. I am a wizard. I am a queen.
I'm a pirate.
And we are the Super Kids. Yeah!
Whoa! No, this cannot be. We cannot have kids at our party.
Oh, please settle down, Skeleton. The children are with me. Oh, yes, we've given them their treats. Now it's time for some tricks. Let's show these kids what we do for kicks.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Hey guys, let's not be lazy bones.
No, it's time to show everyone how we dance.
The skeleton dance. You put your femur in, you put your femur out. You do the spooky and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. Boo! Yay! Guys, thank you so much for including us. This has been the greatest Halloween ever. Yeah, totally. Thanks, guys. You all are cool. Oh, we're so glad that you came.
Yeah, you guys are okay with us.
Yes, we hope you will come again next year
To our Spooktacular Graveyard Bash.
Yeah!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!